pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and bright, and I pity any girl with me tonight. I feel charming, oh so charming. It's alarming how charming I feel, and so pretty that I hardly can believe I'm real. Such a pretty girl in that mirror there. Who can an attractive girl be? Such a pretty face, such a pretty dress, such a pretty smile, such a pretty me. I feel stunning and entrancing, feel like running and dancing for joy, for I'm loved by a pretty, wonderful boy.
Have you met my good friend Maria, the craziest girl on the block? You know her the minute you see her. She's the one who is in an advanced state of shock. She thinks she's in love, she thinks she's the same. She isn't in love, she's merely insane. It must be the heat or some rare disease, or too much to eat, or maybe it's fleas. Keep away from her, San Pacino. This is not the Maria we know. Modest and pure, polite and refined, well-bred and mature, and out of her mind. Miss America, Miss America.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty, that the city should give me its key. A committee should be organized to honor me. I feel easy, I feel sunny, I feel fizzy and funny and fine and so pretty. Miss America can just resign. See the pretty girl in that mirror there.
Mirror where?
Who can an attractive girl be?
Which one, where, who?
Such a pretty face, such a pretty dress, such a pretty smile, such a pretty me. I feel charming,
I feel stunning
and entrancing,
and entrancing,
like running and dancing for joy, for I'm loved